This week on CFO Learning Pro, employees in age bands. All right, so we have an employee roster here, employee ID, date of birth. We need to figure out how many people are like between 20 and 25, 25 and 30, and so on. So I'm using a function here I haven't used a lot, year frac, which I always thought was for fractional portions of years, but it turns out it works fine for ages greater than 1 year. It has no problem with that. Like so, this person is 35.34 years old. Double click to copy that down. And so now we have everyone's age, but I need to put them in brackets. So I'm going to use a pivot table for that. Insert, pivot table, OK. And using this data here, I'm going to put that age in years down the left-hand side in the rows area. And now I need, boy, I'd love to have a text field here because that would make life simpler, but neither of these are text fields, so I'm going to just take one of the fields, employee ID. They're going to try and add that up. So come out here to the first pivot table tab, field settings, and change that to account. All right, so now for every single age, we're going to have exactly one employee who is that age, unless we have two people born on the same day. But here's the cool thing. So on the pivot table tools, options tab or analyze tab, we're going to say that we're going to group this field. And because this field is numeric, we can say that we're going to go from 15 to 70 in groups of 5. And that will solve our problem. Click OK. And so now we know 15 to 20, we have 6, 20 to 25, 24, 25 to 30, and so on. Got a nice little picture there of the ages of our employees. I'm going to come out here to conditional formatting, color scales, so we can kind of see it looks like, oh, wow, we have a lot of young people in their 20 to 25 and 55 to 60. Hey, a bonus tip here. I know we're running out of time. If someone says, well, wait a second, who are the people who are 40 to 45? Just double click and you get a brand new report with all of the people in that group. Pivot tables are just an amazing feature.